Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to Mike's Rusty Finds. We need to replace the ground cable in this 1956 F500. And to do that, I'm going to have to get underneath the truck and get next to the frame so that I can hold that bolt so that this thing doesn't spin. Let's see what we can do. So this is the bolt that we need to hold on to. Obviously, it's got some undercoating and stuff. So we're going to need to kind of expose this bolt a little bit so I can get a wrench on it. Because why should it be easy? See if I can keep from stabbing myself. All right. Now, what are the chances of this staying on here while I'm trying to undo the other side with a socket? Not very good, apparently. I'll be right back. Okay. Let's see if we can get a socket on this thing. And maybe I can reach it from the bottom so I can hold the wrench. Okay, let's see what we can do. Never see that again. Okay. So I got that off, and we're just gonna do it in reverse order and clean up the ground point, and then we'll have a new negative battery cable. We're gonna clean this ground point before we put a new cable on here. And I've got this wire brush because if I'm going to do any more wiring on this thing, we really need to have a decent ground point. So I'll get back with you when I get this a little bit more cleaned up. It's kind of hard to do one-handed. And there you go. It's cleaned up enough to put the ground on. What you really want to do is you want to drop the nut in the dirt so you can't find it. So I need to go search through my junk and find another nut for this bolt. And there we go. A nice installed ground cable. So we can aid in getting rid of some of our electrical gremlins. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.